That wasn't exactly hard.
It was the hardest one ever. Oh, Clank can go by. I didn't know you get to be him. I know you do in other games.
There's like a little mini RTS thing going on with this too.
Really?
Yeah, where you like get little minions for Clank.
That's funny.
So there's like a bit of Pikmin before Pikmin.
Oh. Well, good job with here.
And a pretty open spaceship in space. I mean, seriously, look at how big the bolts are compared to Clank.
Yeah, I
know. Jump, then press and hold the X button again while in the air to glide.
Oh, that's nice. Uh-oh, careful with the evil frogs.
Kung Fu Clank has it. Yes.
Everybody was Kung Fu clanking. Everyone got scared about him. What the heck?
And then they started chafing.
Dun, 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 because of metal shavings. Oh, apparently you gotta go up there somehow. Oh, there you go. Wonder what's out here that's worth exploring for.
I wonder if this path is worth anything, given the trail of money that's laying on it.
Yes, that's all it's worth. Hey, what's that up there?
Yeah, it's a golden bolt.
Maybe go up there?
Well, we don't really have much use for the golden bolts left. Yet, so there's no real point in grabbing it, so we don't even know what it does yet.
Well, if you can get it, you might as well. Or if you can see how you can get it. You know what I mean? Instead of having to remember to get it. Oh, you can...
I'm not going to be able to make it. Not from here. Here we go.
What are those?
You have just activated a Gadgetbot. To command a Gadgetbot, hold
there are other Clanks.
And select wait, follow, attack, or enter.
Now for the fun part.
You just watch them kill it?
Pretty much.
It's gonna be great.
Yep, see? Pikmin before Pikmin.
Can they help you get the bolt?
No. They're pretty much just here to be your slaves.
Oh, do they like you? Hey, what's that door? That's it?
That's it. I mean, there are more sections like this.
What's that? What weapon is that?
It's one of the puzzle items.
Did he eat it and then convulse?
He just put it inside him. So.
Oh. Oh, you got a bridge.
The Gadgetron Hydro Displacer uses Insta Faucets and Insta Drains.
Yep, just wait till we get to the water level puzzles.
Is that what that's useful for?
Yeah, it like changes how much water is in the pool.
Okay. That's always exciting.
Yep.
What's that way?
I think this is where I came from.
Oh, okay.
Because looks like according to the map, we pretty much went everywhere except for the abandoned ship. God damn it!
You just like looking at that weird.
I keep pushing circle to go back.
Yes.
But it's triangle in this game.
There you go. What? Return to Ratchet.
So you are. And I found this. Hey, cool! It's a... what is it? a hydro displacer.
Great. I always wanted one of those. I guess.
You want to explore the abandoned ship?
You can. Yeah, do it. I'll be right back.
Alright. Apparently exploring this monster-infested ship.
Well, of course. Yes, you do.
How'd you hurt your finger opening up your monster?
I don't know. I just pushed down too hard, I guess. Ready for the gunshot? Okay, that time it was more like a metal screech. Oh.
Oh, like a robotic screech from Saved by the Bell?
Yes. That'd be creepy.
Oh god!
You're dead. Run! What?
What the? There we go.
I thought they hit you like 3 times, but they clearly missed. That's the fire guy. You know, this clearly has a thing that says tear here, but I never open it that way. I don't know why I don't. I just don't, I guess.
Because you're a genius?
Of course. And then the blue thing fell up.
You're... What blue thing?
The inside the cap. That like sealed it.
You're a voice of the generation. I am a genius. And also a gay fish.
Hey now, I wonder how fishies are doing in their street fights. Oh, you're dead. Oh, you got help. Yeah, stupid worm turtle crab. Oh yeah. Got 3 bomb gloves. Hey, what's that?
Press the big red shiny button.
Okay, that's never a good thing, but I'm assuming...
Especially when it's described in that way.
Yeah. It's a self-destruct. It has to be. Oh.
Thank you for selecting our automated self-destruct feature.
And look, as there's more monsters on the way out.
Yeah.
Please remove all
And they're all the hard ones.
Can you just run past them, or do you gotta kill them?
And now traps too.
That were clearly not there before.
This vessel will self-destruct shortly. You should leave.
At least it hurts them too.
Mm-hmm.
And they can't jump apparently.
Oh, what type of ship do that have? It's an escape pod, I guess?
It's like an automated
Wait a minute.
transport pod.
Does that have blades in it?
Yes, it does.
How is that working? What is it?
What the? You're right. How does that work?
Does it actually cause forward momentum?
In space.
Yeah, but like, would it with the way? But what would it be cutting through? There's nothing for it to.
We've just learned
Bush?
that Captain
Yeah.
Quark will be presenting the grand prize at the Intergalactic Hoverboard Championship, which will be held here over the next few days.
Is everyone robots in this universe?
This planet has
I
recently
guess?
been suffering from an infestation of strange amoeboid creatures. The city's
the-
administration has assured this reporter that every step has been taken to eradicate these nuisances. Garlic Rat,
What
channel
the heck?
2 news.
I like how the cameraman never warned her.
That poor woman is all right.
How it's just acceptable for...
I was talking about the hoverboard races.
So, hey, you can go to the hoverboard.
Yay!
He's like, I was talking about hoverboard racing. Well, of course, that's what we're gonna do. Can I at least try the hoverboard race?
Yes, you can.
Yes!
Hey, we got the taunter.
What's that do?
Annoy your enemies
Really?
and lure them into traps and ambushes.
with this obnoxious noise maker. I didn't realize that that was the description of a bump. It just seems very inconvenient. It's more like, okay, just whip it at me.
It bounces off your phone first.
Yeah. Okay. Where do we gotta go? This one?
It'd either be Yeah, it looks like it's Bilgewater City. Or Blackwater City. Bilgewater City.
Win the hoverboard race. Oh, obviously. That's what
Get the trophy.
and do you have to get on the first try? Or
No, you don't have to get on the first try, but you have to get first place.
What happened to the skate shoes? Did you just use them that one time?
We get to use them some more later.